do you live? I live in Ropar, which is one of the oldest districts of Punjab. It is situated in the northern part of the India near Satluj River. I have been living there with my family and I like it very much. What do you like about your hometown? Although there are a number of things which I like about my hometown, but the one which I like the most is that it is situated in the lap of the nature. So it is away from all the pollution and hustle and bustle. Moreover, the educational system and the health system of my hometown is pretty good. So I really love to live there. What do you dislike about your hometown? So the thing which I don't like about my hometown is the poor transportation facility, as there is no bus stop, even no auto rickshaw stop available. So most of the people in my hometown, especially the women and the children, face lots of problem whenever they need to step out of their town. So this is a problem which I have been facing since I start my schooling. So I think that this area of my hometown needs to be developed.